Hello students, let us continue with the chapter 5, refraction of light, which we have started in the last classes. And today we are going to start with the laws of refraction. We already know what is refraction. Refraction means that when light travels from one medium to another, then there is a change in direction. This change in direction is called refraction of light. Now, the laws of refraction. The first law. According to the first law, the incident ray at the normal, the point of incidence, the refracted ray, all lie in the same plane. The ratio of, this is the first law. The second law is the ratio of the sine of angle of incidence to the sine of angle of refraction is a constant. Sin I by sin R. Although these sine terms you will study in higher classes, these are trigonometric terms. The meaning of sin I and sin R means that you will study in higher classes. Just you can take one more definition, that the ratio of the length of perpendiculars drawn on a circle in the denser medium and rarer medium is constant. This is called refractive index. So what is refractive index? Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in air or vacuum to the speed of light in any other medium. That is called refractive index. Refractive index gives the amount of light. So refractive index tells us that by what factor will the light speed decrease if it goes from air to water or any other medium. That factor is called the refractive index. So it is a number, it has no unit. It is a factor. Suppose if refractive index of any medium is 2, let us imagine, then it means that when light will come from air to that medium, then the refractive index, then the speed of light will become half. Mirage. What is mirage? On a very hot day, on a hot sunny day, suppose you are going on a highway, you will see that in front of you, few hundred meters away, ahead of you, there is a appearance of illusion of water spread on the road. And when you reach that point, that water disappears, and further 100 meters away, it again appears like that water is there. So this is an optical phenomena caused due to refraction of light. Actually what happens? See, this diagram is tried to explain here. See, the different layers of air behave like different optical medium. And when the light that is from the sun enters our eyes, it suffers multiple refraction, due to which it bends. And the object here appears to be here. And the object which is here, the image appears to be here, and it appears that there is a water body where the image of the adjoining tree or something is formed. So this is the mirage. Okay? Now we are going to study about the refraction through glass slab. So see, what is the refraction through glass slab? As we see, this is a glass slab. As you can see in the figure, this is a glass slab, a thick sheet of piece of glass. This is a glass slab. When light enters through it, then there are two type of reflection. Okay, so when light enters through it, this is the incident ray, and this is the incident ray. Here the light is bending, and the refracted ray and the normal. So this way we are having the three types of refraction: the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal. Okay. Acha. So this all, so up to here we study, and when light is entering the, then light is being refracted, and finally we are getting the emergent ray. Finally we are getting out the emergent ray. Okay, so this type of refraction taking place here. Okay, study up to here. In the next video I will complete the chapter.